Let's lubricate some motorcycle cables the old school way. All you're gonna need is a plastic bag and a rubber band. Also, some oil. All you're gonna do is you're gonna take your bag and you're gonna cut this kind of around just like this. That'll be just fine. Then you're gonna turn it around and in the corner, go ahead and nip off the corner. I got my cable lightly in a vise. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this and push this plastic bag over through onto the actual cable part. Then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a rubber band and I'm gonna cinch this up really nice and tight on this. So I'm just gonna wrap this around until it's nice and tight. Once you've got your rubber band nice and tight, go ahead and fold that bag upward. Place a catch tray of some kind on the floor. Today, I'm going to use Marvel Mystery Oil as my lubricant, but you can use motor oil or anything like that. Just don't use like WD-40 or any penetrating oil. You need a real oil. Now, all you're going to do is fill up your little funnel till it's over the top, just like that. Make sure you don't spill. Almost spilt there. And then all you're going to need to do is start actuating the cable. Just start pulling the cable. And sure enough, take a look at the drop can. We've got that cable lubed up. Let it run out and we're good to go. Makes it pretty easy to go ahead and dump out any excess oil back into your container. All you got to do is pull off your rubber band. Easier said than done. Rinse and repeat for all your other cables. Don't forget the little catch can on the floor. It can get a little bit messy. Keep on wrenching, friends.